going. Oh, hey, oh, yeah, me telling. About your style, never small thing. Look in your eyes, know you want me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, boy, you make me feel like saying, babe. Oh, love the way you talk with your eyes. Got me feeling alright. Tell me so you want me when you're lonely. Give me good loving, man, I'll be alright. Oh, baby, come talk to me. This fire, keep it burning. Them other boys keep them talking. For your case, and mine, don't let it blow.
We are off to Heidelberg. Right now, we are going to the... Okay. We're going to the train station because we're taking like a 45-minute train to the next city. And yeah, I'm still not ready. I have to do my makeup in the train. Hold on, I'm struggling. Okay, I put my mask on because it stinks. But anyways, we're now in the train station. It's actually so cool, look. And we have to go to like our gate or whatever to board the train. No, calonse. So yeah, wait, let me show you the train station. The train, guys, literally it's empty, no one's on here. So now I have to do my makeup. Here's my bag. I made sure to bring my makeup bag so that I can do it on the train. Okay.
¿Ya se va? Sí. Wow.
Chihuahua, ¿dónde va?
Stuttgart, pero no sé, puede ver aquí. Heidelberg y Stuttgart. Yeah.
Guys, we just lost our stop. We were supposed to get down, but we were too slow. So now we have to wait like an hour on the train to go to the next stop. Going to Heidelberg, but we weren't ready, so like we tried getting out and the doors were closing and we clicked to open, but it didn't. So now we have to wait to go from Heidelberg to Stuttgart, which is like an hour away. So now we have to wait here, and then I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we have to get down there and then buy another train ticket to go back to Heidelberg, which is where we were originally going. I don't know. There's this really nice girl who's helping us. She speaks Spanish, but oh god. Just now made it to Stuttgart, and we're trying to, we met this really nice girl who's gonna help us buy our ticket to go back to Heidelberg. So yeah. Okay guys, we made it to Strasbourg and we got our ticket, so now we're waiting. We have to wait like 30 minutes for the train to get here. We made it, guys. Hello guys, we have just made it to Heidelberg 3 hours later than originally planned. But we just got to our hotel room and now we are going to go to like downtown. We are now in Old Town Heidelberg and it's literally so pretty. Look at the buildings. We are walking towards the Old Town Bridge, I think is what it's called. But wait, let me show you here because there's a bunch of like little shops and everything, and the weather is super nice too.
Love the way you talk with your eyes, got me feeling alright. It's almost so you want me when you're lonely. Give me good loving and I'll be alright. Oh baby, come talk to me. This fire keep it burning. The mother boys keep them talking. For your case and a mind, don't let it blow mine every time. You and me, baby, no mind matter. All your exes think say you just got that. You can be calm, yeah, I got you falling. It's not a thing we can handle. Oh boy, you're right.
Guys, we are at the bridge right now and we are on our way to the castle, which is right up there. It's like a 20-minute walk, so that's where we're headed right now. But look at this view, literally. It's so pretty. Hey guys, we're walking to the castle right now. And it's like so peaceful. Also, I'm literally out of breath because we climbed so many stairs, but it's so pretty. Guys, we made it to the castle. I'm literally so thirsty and out of breath. We climbed so many stairs, but it was worth it. Guys, literally, look at the view. It's so pretty. Literally so pretty. Look at the view. Hey, we're currently at the castle. We're sitting down. I'm charging my phone. So is my mom. We're looking at the pictures we took and we're seeing where we're gonna go next. But it's super pretty here, look at it. And the weather is super nice too. Wait, let me show you guys over here. Okay, we just bought tickets to go inside the castle, but we only have 30 minutes, so we have to really hurry. But oh my Jesus. It's literally so pretty. Are sitting here. I forgot to vlog, but we've been here for a while now, just chilling, looking at people. They had some drinks. Look, I tried this drink because the legal drinking age here is 16, so I tried this and it's really good. It's called Ugo and it has mint, lemon, and something else. Prosecco. And yeah, this is what we're doing. In a little bit, we're gonna go back to, oh, my rings, no! Oh, hold on. Shut up, I dropped my rings. Stop, they're judging me for vlogging. Anyways. Anywho. We're back.
That's pretty much all.
We're
Prost.
Okay, when the sun sets, we're gonna go back to the bridge and look at it during sunset and everything. So, yeah. We just crossed the bridge from over there, and now we're coming to this side to see what's over here. These houses are literally huge and so pretty. Okay, I don't really know what there's, like, we don't really know what's over here, but I think over here is like more civilized, like where people actually live. Meanwhile, we're looking for a bathroom. Okay, we just finished eating. We ate at a Lebanese restaurant and we had like wraps. I had one that had like falafel and some other vegetables, but I completely forgot to record. Anyways, now we're walking back to the hotel. It's gonna be like a 30-minute walk, and it's cold. Like, now I'm actually cold. But anyways, it's not completely dark out yet. It's 10:20, and that's what the sky looks like. See, I'll vlog. We made it back to the hotel. So I'm gonna take a shower and then go to bed in a little bit. So tomorrow we will be going to Bingen and the Rhine River.